Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. It is 12:49 and 20 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, placental malaria. And don't forget to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Antibodies help identify women protected from placental malaria. Date June 29, 2021. Source, Eli. And 6 antibody characteristics that help scientists identify which pregnant women are at risk of placental malaria infections. Malaria infections can be devastating for pregnant mothers, particularly during their first pregnancies. If malaria parasites invade the placenta, they can starve babies of nutrition, potentially causing low birth weight, preterm deliveries, stillbirths, and pregnancy loss. But not all women are susceptible to placental malaria infections, and a new study may help clinicians to identify those at risk, and researchers to develop new therapies to protect pregnant women from malaria and related complications. A protein made by malaria parasites, called VAR2CSA, allows them to attach to placental cells and invade the placenta. Many women produce antibodies that can prevent this infection, and even those who have placental malaria during their first pregnancy are less likely to become infected during subsequent pregnancies because they have already developed protective antibodies. Researchers set out to identify the features of these antibodies that help protect women from placental infections. In their experiments, the research team used a machine learning technique to identify naturally acquired antibody features mid-pregnancy that were associated with protection from placental malaria and delivery. They analyzed 169 antibody features in 77 pregnant women from Madang, Papua New Guinea. Of these features, they identified 6 that were associated with placental malaria protection. And these fell into 2 broad groups, those related to preventing the parasites from binding to placental cells, and those that led to the destruction of infected blood cells. Using these features, researchers created a model that can predict which pregnant women would develop placental malaria infections with 86% accuracy. These results suggest it is likely there are multiple pathways to protection against placental malaria. It will be interesting to learn whether the same combination of features can protect pregnant women from placental malaria infections in other populations. And this new insight is important for the development of novel vaccines or other treatments to protect pregnant women and their babies from the effects of malaria. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.